Hello friends, this is Ivaylov team, and today we'll make a short demonstration about newest tool HU66 generation 2 automatic decoder. Inside we have the tool and we have a reset tool. So this is the back with the serial number and the patent number and all we need. After that we will make just short basic names of the parts of the tool. This is the tension wheel, this is the gate here, and this is the back wheel. Here we have the pins, 4 of them in this side and 4 of them with this side. Every time before we start opening procedure, we need to reset the pins, because when you open it remembers the combination, and after that you need to reset them manually. For reset, the gate must be closed and the back wheel must be all the way right. Now we see these 4 holes in this side and 4 of them in this side. We need to push every one of them like this, like this, like this, and after that in this side also 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to be sure that we push them all the way. After we reset, we open the gate and see them visually. They must be a little pop out of this. Of the top of the tool, they must be a little pop out. So we closing the gate, we turn this wheel all the way right, and we starting the opening procedure. So first we need to check this side or this side is correct. We don't know. We hold the gate here. This is very important because we don't want the gate to slip. This may block the tool inside, so we hold the gate and check. If the gate is popping out, this is the wrong side. See? Because when we put it like this, nothing pops out. This is the right side. This is the correct side of opening. So the most important thing, open the gate. When we open the gate, the tool is going to the working mode. Now with the new tools, we checked that the most locks are opening with the tension only to the right. So we start only to the right. Give medium to hard tension and turn the back wheel all the way left, return it right, release the tension. Again, and we repeat this procedure until the lock is open. So we are managed to open it. After that, push the back wheel all the way left, jiggle it like this, the other side, close the gate. We need to be in safe mode when we put the tool in or pull the tool out. Safe mode, like this. And then a last thing we need to do is to check our combination. You see, you have couple of lines here, line 1, 2, 3, and this here is number 4. You just check your pin corresponds with which line and you will know your combination. So enjoy. That's all for today. Bye bye.